Hello, everybody. I'm going to show you a calendar today. Thank you to the people who sent this to me so I can show up this calendar. It is now December, so January is coming, and some people need a calendar. You know what? I put things in my phone. I have a calendar in my phone, but mostly I like to look at it. Like I like to see I like to walk by my refrigerator and look and see what I have to do for the week or for the month. So I still, even though things are in my phone, I actually still want a paper calendar. And this one has magnets on it, so I'm going to put it on my refrigerator as I start. And also, I think this one has 18 months. It's an 18-month calendar. Oh, it got this little thing that you would have put it on the desk. So it has this little tab on it. Now let me just, I'm sure it's 18 months. So it's starting in January, and it's going January 26th, and it's going to go to June of 27. So let me just be sure that that's the last month here. Yes, it goes to June of 27. Plus, it also has it starts on Sunday. So even if Sunday, in this case, Sunday is still December, you got a place for Sunday right here. So Sunday to Saturday, you can actually put it on your desk, so it'll stay on your desk. You can look at it on your desk, or you can put it on the refrigerator, which is where mine is going, so I can see, because I do really do use a calendar. I'm used to the paper, but I like the calendar so that I can see, okay, we got all this to do, especially with me and my fiance, because he needs to know like where we going, what we doing, and instead of me having to find my phone and look for it in my calendar, just look on the refrigerator. It's right there. That's what I like about it. So I do enjoy a paper calendar, and if you do, you may want this too. And I do again thank the people that sent this to me, because I'm that kind of person.